sounds like you can. I'm sorry if it does. This is just how this works. Okay, so this is Michelle and Jess. And Michelle.
Okay, I'll do it next time. I promise.
Wow, now everyone's gonna unsubscribe for inappropriate content.
Take that off, actually.
Okay, so Pillow Productions. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Good to know. You never won. So Pillow Productions. Yay!
I gave my point here.
You're so dancey. You're so dancey, man. Okay. What was that? Okay, so, sorry about the cat whiskers and the hair. I got my hair cut and it looks fabulous. And also, I lost hair for the face and thing. And Pillow Productions is totally jamming out to her awesome music. Please subscribe to her channel. This video is gonna end up being like really short because she has to get off the bus. Oh, and I'm sorry for making this video. Sorry. And I'm sorry for having to make this on school bus, but that's kind of just how
Hey Rachel, what's your YouTube channel?
Belly button. Down. I could be like,
What?
my name.
I freaking know.
So this is totally gonna be interesting because okay, that's kind of better. There will be a Pillow Production Fun Parade Pandemic, so we're on a grade school bus. Yay! Looking forward. Michelle says hi. Video games always. Hi! Play more video games always. Good thing. Yeah, we'll probably end up making like some gaming channel somewhere somehow. Possibly.
From there into there.
I just put a bunch of random things on it. Yeah. We should try it out. We should totally make.
Yeah, you can hit me in the stomach.
Sarcastic clapping. Yeah.
what I did today?
So I'm gonna let you go home now, so you can kind of figure out the.
Oh my gosh, your hair is like sticking off.
And I absolutely
that didn't really help.
It's like in a friendly way. And there will be more videos where we are.
Did you see
doing more
Kelsey's hair?
comfortable
Look,
things
she looks
than
like
sitting on a
Justin
bus, I
Bieber.
promise. Thank you guys.
Sitting on a right?
Thank you guys. Please subscribe to me and her channel. I will put a link below. And Michelle was throwing stuff at my chicken. Bye.